Any plans to effect a change in the leadership of the House of Representatives may have to wait following a federal high court ruling in Abuja that the status quo be maintained. Justice Adeola-Akande in the ruling ordered parties in a suit filed by the People's Democratic Party against the House of Representatives and some of its members to wait for the hearing and determination of the suit. The judge, after a 4-hour argument challenging the jurisdiction of the court to entertain the suit, elected to hear the substantive suit along with a preliminary objection filed by the defendants.
It was a continuation of legal fireworks as lawyers to the House of Representatives challenged the hearing of a suit seeking to stop the leadership of the House from effecting any change. After over 4 hours of argument, Justice Ademola, in ordering parties to maintain status quo, held that even when a court's jurisdiction to hear a case was being challenged, it has the power to decide whether or not it has jurisdiction. The defense team, which included Sebastian Hon, Mahmoud Magaji, Eric Apia, and Tairu Adebayo, prayed the court to first determine the objection against the court's jurisdiction before hearing the substantive suit.
Yes, we are still objecting to the jurisdiction of the court, and plaintiff's counsel did not apply for that, but the judge in his wisdom made that order, and that the status could be maintained in respect to the positions of the seconds to the 11th defendants. In other words, that the principal officers should not be changed while the matter is pending.
Lawyer to the plaintiffs, Yunus Usman, however, urged the court to either hear his motion for a interlocutory injunction before hearing the preliminary objection or hear both.
It is not preemptive. If you see the piece of evidence we are next to our affidavit, there are serious threats to remove all PDP principal officers. In fact, the threat was to be carried out on 13th. Fortunately, they didn't sit on that 13th. And you know, the position of the law is that if you smell any threat, you don't wait. It is just like you waiting for the hangman to put the rope around your neck before you say, look, I want to rush to court. By then it will have been too late.
Justice Ademola later fixed February 3 for hearing of both the defendant's preliminary objection and the substantive suit. He also ordered parties to file their written addresses before then.